Want to see pop-up alert and add lighting even when your screen is off, or maybe you'd rather keep your phone fully silent and dark? Let me show you how to control notification previews while your Galaxy S25 Ultra is sleeping. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen, then tap Notification. Next, tap Notification Pop-up Style. Here, make sure it's set to Brief. Now, look for the option Show Even While Screen is Off. If you turn this option on, you will get subtle add lighting and a brief text preview of your incoming notification, even if your screen is completely off. This is super useful when your phone is resting on the desk or charging, and you want to catch alert without unlocking it. However, if you turn this option off, your phone will stay completely dark when a notification comes in. No edge lighting, no preview. It's perfect for avoiding distraction at night or saving battery. So, given to the function, this option helps you choose between visibility and focus. You can turn it on for a quick glance at messages even when your screen is off, or turn it off to keep things quiet and distraction free. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.